Hi friends, as part of my knowledge sharing service, I am bringing you some series of short videos explaining the key points to be looked into by an engineer or an estimator or a person who is dealing with tender or estimate or a subcontractor document. These key points will pave the way to avoid possible disputes during execution. Generally, these are covered in the preambles of the document. The missed out points may make a major difference or a major impact in high volume jobs. In this video, I am explaining you the key points to be looked into in an earthwork tender or an estimate. Soil investigation report, standard mode of measurement, clear definition about the soil classification, working space is part of the unit rate or shall be paid separately, the working space and the extent of working space, defined or approved method statement, wherein higher depth of excavation is involved, like double basement excavation, deep trench excavation, or large volume underground tanks, etc. Clarity on disposal of soil, clarity on handling the backfilling earth, the level of accuracy required to achieve the top surface, present market price for the fuel, and the component of the fuel in the unit rate. The following diagrams will give you a rough idea about the importance of these points if not taken care during the estimation or arriving on the unit rates. Hope the information will be useful. Thank you.